Hello, what's up everyone? Today I have got you an awesome app that I want to share with all of you guys, especially for those of you that currently running on iOS 14. And this app is very awesome. It offers you a ton of themes that you can apply without having to jailbreak your phone. And one more thing, it doesn't require shortcuts. So all you have to do, just go to the App Store and you're gonna search for Mologo. And for this one, it is completely free and it offers you a ton of themes. Now I'm gonna open it and you can see we have a lot of themes available right here, and where you can see it, the top one we have trending, the most popular one, and you can see mostly it is the theme from the jailbroken device. And let me show you how you can install it. So I'm gonna go to this one, it is my favorite one. Then you can scroll down, you can see system apps and you can see third-party apps as well, but I'm gonna apply only the system app, so I can just hit on download. Then it will bring me to Safari and you can see this pop up. Make sure you hit on allow. Then you're gonna go back to settings and on the top you're gonna see profile downloaded. Hit on that and hit on install. And if you have passcode, so put your passcode. Now after you have installed a profile, when you go back you can see the new theme here, so you can just hold on one by one. So you can just select the icon that you have just installed, so you can move all of them to the first page. So I'm gonna move all of them. Now I have already organized my home screen. Now if I go to camera, then it will just launch camera. As you can see, let's say I'm gonna go to Safari. When I click on Safari, it should be launch Safari straight away. You can see on message, and it is very awesome and very useful. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this update, and then I will see you guys in the next one.